Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Alright guys, so if you use your S26 at night, you may want to turn on eye comfort shield, especially at night, to protect your eyes from blue light from the screen, which can affect your sleep. Now, if you need to turn on your high comfort shield, it's very easy. This is how you do it. So go ahead and go to your settings. Once you're in your settings here, you're going to go down to the option for display. You're going to scroll down and there should be an option here that says eye comfort shield. If you tap on the text, it should be taken to the eye comfort shield. Go ahead and turn it on. Notice that the screen becomes much warmer. For example, you could use the custom option here and adjust the temperature overall, or of course you could use the adaptive. I recommend that you use the adaptive, which uses the sensors and detects the level of light in the environment and makes the screen warmer in terms of the overall feel. And what this will do is that it will reduce eye strain, especially at night, by reducing the blue light from the screen, which will prevent the device from messing with your overall sight. And in terms of affecting your sleep, you can go to enhance comfort by adjusting the color tone and comfort more comfortable viewing at night. So you can turn this one on. So this is enhanced comfort. So if, for example, a standard doesn't help or help much, you can go to the enhance option and turn this on. So it will really ramp up the color tone to actually help you with preventing the adjusting the contrast for better viewing at night, so the device is easier in your eyes. You can turn it off as well, or you can use the standard. You can do the custom and then make the adjustments manually yourself. But as I said, adaptive is much better. Or you can turn off the mode. Notice the screen returns to its white, kind of white intense with those blue lights emitting as normal. Turn it on at night, especially when you're using your device extensively at night to prevent eye irritation. All right, so that's how to do the eye comfort shield. That was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.